Brady, what are you doing? Brady. How'd you get stuck back there? I'll help you. Doink! Look at that. That easy. I pulled it all out. Boink! Brady, can you say wow? Can you say flower? Can you say mailman? Yep. Can you say... Can you say bumble? Good. Can you say bed? Yeah, bed. Can you say binoculars? Yeah, binoculars. Good. Can you say pillow? Good, pillow. Yep. Can you say mommy? You say I love? I love you? You. Say mama's the best.